Hello everyone! As you all know, Apple has just updated the iPad Pro and the iPad Air this year, so I've just got my delivery from Apple. I bought an iPad Air 6, the version of 2024. So today I would like to unbox this iPad Air with you. So I also have bought this Apple Pencil Pro, very beautiful design. I've got the iPad Air 11 inches and 256 gigabyte. And this is also called the iPad Air M2 with the M2 core. Let's have a look. And now it looks like this. This is the iPad Air, and here is the mini box of the explanation guarantee. Here's the iPad Air welcome. Here's the reparation list. This time, iPad has also given us a charger and what is still inside, how to use it. So before usage, please read this one. I have also bought a paper textured screen protector. Let's also open this one. Installation, contents inside. What's this? I don't know. Beautiful though. And this one. Okay, good. So, unpacked, and it's very beautiful, I have to say. It's very light, and I've got the green color, and here is automatically the Chinese version of it. So here says hello, and before I do this, I'd like to give the protector for it. So installation, how to use it. Step 1, put your iPad on the anti-slip mat, which is this one. And step 2, clean your iPad screen using wet wipe cleaning cloth and dust removal sticker in order. Okay. It says use it in time after unboxing. So now just clean it. And now cleaning cloth. And now dust removal. The okay. So now I've got this, and now I have to squeeze all the bubbles out. This is not so easy at the moment because although I have already removed all the dust, but as I put this on it, there was still some dust there. So there were indeed some bubbles. I need perhaps 24 hours to wait so that the bubbles can be removed. But all in all, I can protect it first. So now, have a look. And now let's open the new Apple Pencil Pro together. Designed by Apple in California. This is the pencil. So the pencil can be here. Tuck. And that's it. So later I will share my experience after testing the iPad Air. Thank you for watching. If you are curious about the new iPad Air and also the usage of the Apple Pencil Pro, please subscribe and I'll update it very soon. Have a nice day.